Hello and welcome. Have you ever been in a situation where you are in a different country but your Amazon address is still the previous country that you were in? In that case, you may want to change your country in Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome to 1-2 Steps. In today's video, we're going to see how we can change our country in Amazon. Well, that's pretty simple. The first step is going to our Amazon homepage by signing into it. Now, the second step is going to either Deliver to Nepal, this button at the top left corner, and click on it. There, you can access Manage Address Book. So let's select it. And you can add your new address by clicking on Add Address and select the country, your new country, and fill out the other fields and click on Add Address. Right? Once you've done it, you need to either remove this previous address of yours, or you can also just click on Set as Default in the new address. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions, do leave them in the comment section. Until next time, bye-bye.